Okay, that's plenty of water in it. Just checking the oil now. It takes quite a lot of oil. I think there's over a gallon in it. I'm not exactly sure of the proper level of oil. It's just starting to show in the dipstick. Kind of awkward now, everything's pretty tight. It's needing a wee drop more oil. In another half litre or so. And then give it time to run down into the sump. And then measure it again. Getting a good spark. I've wired one of the coils up just temporary at the moment. It's got a good ground on the rocker cover there. These are the igniters here. They're functioning properly. This here has to go into an airflow meter, measures the oxygen going into the engine. There's nothing else to check. I don't have any water leaks. I don't have any oil leaks at the moment. Just checking underneath. Going underneath the car, and there's no oil drips or water drips on the floor. So that's all looking pretty healthy. Got a temporary earth here. If it does start, I'll get that wired up properly. But everything's looking okay. At the moment I've only got it wired for the engine only. This is all the fuses for the engine. I'll have to rate them properly afterwards. It's just a temporary fuses. Some of them might blow during startup, I'm not sure, but I put in a really small amperage at the moment. Later on I'll maybe crank it up a bit. Let's just check that oil again and see how it's looking. Yeah, that's good. It's at the proper mark. So that's just over a gallon of oil. So got some fire extinguishers ready just in case. Good idea in case I've got a fuel leak somewhere. I'll find out when I turn on the fuel pump. So we'll have them handy just in case. Don't want my man cave burnt down. So moving to the back of the car, I'm going to connect up the battery here. I've got the fuel pump wired to that temporary. So when I connect it up, you'll hear the fuel pump running, hopefully. Yep, there she goes. And we just check underneath. No fuel leaks. Nah, it's looking good. Stick the oil cap back on. And see if we can find the ignition key. Yeah, there it is. Now, gonna need both hands here. So, turn the key and see what happens. Life in that engine. Needs a bit of throttle, I think. See if we can adjust the tick over. Yeah, I'll just stick a small packer in there if I can. And I'll need to put the phone down. Okay, small packer. Let's give it another turn. That's sounding good. Give it a wee rev here. I'm a very happy man. Okay, just going to disconnect the battery now. Now that was a very successful first start. I'm going to celebrate with a shave and a shower, get dressed and have a few pints of beer. That's all folks, bye.